I don't need to be at your wedding, but I just want my sister back. Do you forgive me?
Kayo ba yung bilok namin? Anong marakit kayo?
Inspector?
Hindi ikaw ang pinunta namin dito, Lee. Gusto namin makausap si Emily.
Where did you get that?
Sa laptop ni Zack.
At hindi lang to ang video. Nakasama ka ni Zack.
Purahin niyo yan. Purahin niyo yan. Ayun, purahin niyo yan. You pigs! You pervert!
Hey, please. Do this for me. Kahit ito lang. Sige na.
Kinuna ni Zack yung mga videos na hindi alam ni Emily.
Hidden camera?
Hindi rin ako makapaniwala, Ninong. Iba yung pumayag yung partner mo na gumawa kayo ng videos. Pero para kunin niya yung babae nang hindi niya alam, hindi lang yung kabasusan. Krimen yun.
Hey, I don't know how to tell you this. Hey, I'm so sorry. Hey, may kumakalat na sex video. What? Hey, I'm so sorry.
Pakita mo na.
It's so bad. Here. I mean, isn't she one of your most favorite Hollywood actresses? Oh my gosh, this is so bad for her. Well, I mean, sa US naman, very liberated naman sila. Pero if this happened here in the Philippines, oh my gosh, her career, her work, her life, it could be ruined. Everything. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad for the victim. Kawawa naman siya. She would be such a victim here. Oh my God. Eh? Hey, what's wrong? Is everything okay? Kagabi ka ba?
Naaawa lang ako sa kanya. I have to go, may appointment lang ako.
Maupo ka, Miss Baltasar.
Before you ask me anything, pwede bang mauna muna ako? Are there more? Videos, I mean. Panood niyo ba lahat? Lahat kayo dito na panood niyo?
Kami lang ni Inspector Kirby ang may alam tungkol sa videos. Nag-browse lang kami ng mga files para magkaroon kami ng idea kung ano yung ginawa ni Zack. Doon namin nalaman na yung mga videos na kinunan is with your knowledge. Pero yung iba mukhang hidden camera na lang.
Are you sure that I'm that woman? I mean, I barely saw the video. Baka naman ibang babae yun. Baka naman mistress ni Zack na iba yun. Baka naman iba yun, Inspector. Hindi ko alam eh.
Miss Baltazar, pwede ko ipakita ulit sa'yo. I'm sorry, Miss Baltazar. Pero walang duda na ikaw yung kasama ni Zach sa mga videos.
Then you should erase that.
Hindi pwede.
You got what you need, erase it. Magkano kailangan mo, Inspector? Kaya kong bilhin lahat ng gusto mo. Magkano?
Hindi pwede, Miss Baltazar.
Bakit? Kasi papanoorin ulit, ha? Kasi i-enjoyin niyo ulit,
Because
ha?
those videos-
Mga bastos!
Because those videos are evidence. Nasa videos na yon ang motibo kung bakit mo pinatay yung biktima. Prueba yun na may affair kayo ni Zach Zamora. Kaya mo ba gusto ipabura yung video kasi gusto mong itago dahil ikakasal ka na? Ha? Yun ba yung dahilan? Kaya mo pinatay si Zach Zamora? Miss Baltazar! Pinatay mo ba si Zach Zamora?
If I did, masisisi mo ba ako?
So inaamin mo na ikaw yung pumatay kay Zach?
No. I did not kill Zach Zamora. I did not kill him. But I wish I did. I wish I killed him, Inspector. Sana ako na lang yung pumatay sa kanya para maganti ko yung sarili ko sa lahat ng mga pambababoy niya sa akin. He's an animal. He's a monster. Para guess dinidiin ko lang yung sarili ko sa'yo ngayon, no? Na kahit anong sabihin ko dito, hindi ka maniniwala sa akin. Because all of a sudden, I'm a suspect. It's your duty to prove that I'm guilty. Pero sinasabi ko sa'yo, Inspector, I did not kill Zach. I did not kill him. Mahihirapan ka. Because I'm innocent.
With all due respect, Miss Baltazar, hindi ka inosente. Dalawang tao ang involved sa isang affair. It means, ginusto mo rin si Zach. Di ba?
Yes. But I did not cheat on anyone.
May boyfriend ka. Tama?
More than a year ago, Luke and I had problems. We've been together since high school. So wala, nagka-problema lang kami. Nabore ako sa relasyon namin. I wanted to experiment. I wanted to have fun. So doon pumasok si Zach. Kinukulit niya ako na matagal na raw niya akong gusto, so I kind of gave in. I wanted to have fun. I wanted adventure. I wanted to experiment. And Zach he was fun. What's this?
Been together for a few months. And I never took you out on a proper date. So, surprise.
Diba we agreed not to do all these cheesy stuff? To just keep it casual?
Hey, what if I don't like casual? What if I want something more? Hey, I want to take this relationship to the next level. So sana maging official na tayo.
I thought may in love ako sa kanya. But I never did. I'm sorry. So when I felt that he was getting serious, but I don't feel the same way, I had to break it off. I'm sorry, Sam. Not long after, nagkabalikan kami ni Luke. And I never cheated on him. Si Zach nalaman ko na may gusto si Liv sa kanya. Nung nalaman ko yun, I pointed Zach to her direction and
nung naging sila ni Liv, I was genuinely happy for my sister. Masaya ako para sa kanya. Kaya sinabi ko kay Zach, Zach, i-delete mo lahat ng videos natin, lahat ng kinunan mo. Lahat, i-delete mo. And he did. Dinelete niya. Dinelete niya sa harapan ko, binura niya sa harap ko. Hindi ko alam na may iba pa. Hindi ko alam na he was recording behind my back. Tanga-tanga ko, hindi ko dapat siya tinrust. He's a monster. He's a sick pig. Inspector, I know I'm ice cold. I never beg. Please. Please, Inspector, hindi to pwede malaman ng pamilya ko. Ikakasal pa ako. Please. Please, mahal na mahal ko si Luke. Inspector, please. Hindi ko pwede mukhang tanga, please.
Liv, kumusta ka?
Si Amelie, hindi pa siya nagre-reply since last night. Na si Yana, hindi naman siya nag-update. I know may schedule si A eh, na makipag-usap sa mga investigators today.
Eh, naman pala eh. Baka busy lang. O nagmamadali. Di na naka-text ka nun.
I have a bad feeling. Parang ano, alam mo yung sister's instinct? Ganon.
I could always feel when something's going on.
Okay. Naalala ko dati nung absent ako na sa cheerleading practice. Kasi nga masama yung pakiramdam ko. Pero bigla ako nag-alala kay A. And then, pinuntahan ko siya. Then I found out na nahulog siya. Tapos napilayan siya. And then we had to rush her sa hospital. Tapos from then on, natutunan ko to always trust my instincts.
Pero parang gets ko naman. May ganun ako nararamdaman pagdating din sa pamilya ko eh. May tawag sila dun eh. Yung luksong dugo.
Lukso ng dugo.
Lukso ng dugo. Oo, tama. Kung meron talagang nangyayari kay A, sasabihin naman niya yun sa'yo. Hintayin mo na lang.
Talaga?
Oo. Tignan mo eh. Ikaw lang nagsistress sa sarili mo.
Wala kaming balak ikalat yung mga videos. Nakatago sa safe na lugar yung laptop ni Zach to make sure na wala yung makaka-access. Ngayon, yung mga tanong ko naman yung sagutin mo. Anong ginagawa mo sa gym? Nung oras na nasusunog ang biktima?
Nag-workout ako kasi palagi yun, Inspector. Daily. Kasi kakasal ako.
Nagdala ka ba ng mga fireworks powder sa gym?
Hindi. Why would I do that?
Gumagamit ka ba ng tea tree oil? Anong alam mo tungkol doon?
I told you I wish I killed Zach, pero hindi nga. Hindi nga ako. Siguro kung meron akong ginawang mali, yun yung nagpakatanga ko. And wala, ito yung parusa ko. Ito yung parusa ko sa kahihiyan na ginawa ni Zach sa akin. Bakit ba ganun? Bakit ba babae lagi nagsasuffer sa mga ganito? Bakit kayong mga lalaki, tuwak-tuwa pa kayo pag may mga ganitong issue? Tapos ano kami mga babae? Gina-judge? Napapahiya? Bakit yun? Bakit hindi kami pwede maging buo kahit minsan? Bakit hindi kami pwede magkamali? Kahit onti lang. Bakit ganun? Daya niyo.
Eh?
Yana, what are you doing here?
Liv told me na nandito daw yung appointment mo. And I came kasi nag-aalala na ako sa'yo. Lutang ka kagabi after ka-interviewin ng mga inspectors, tapos ngayon parang mugto yung mata mo. What are they asking you to make you cry like that? Huh? I don't have to be Sherlock Holmes to know that you're hiding something. Hey, are you hiding something?
Wala akong tinatago, okay? They just ask me questions about Mom. Teka na muna tayo.
You've been there for me. More times than I can count. Hindi lang kita best friend. Para na kitang sister. I know you're going through something right now, okay? And if you're not ready, you don't have to tell me right now. But I just want you to know that you're not alone. Alam mo, napakawalang hiya talaga ng Zach na yan. Alam mo, umuhay pa siya, for sure, ang dami na pwedeng isang pangkaso sa kanya.
Parang ayoko nang umabot doon, Yana. Lalo lang ako may expose.
Alam mo, I knew it, okay? I knew it. I should have warned you back then. I should have warned you when I saw you two together.
Nakita mo kami?
Uy,
I'm so drunk.
stop. Not here. Zach!
Uy! Zach, not here!
Alright, saan ka lang, babe?
Stop it! Uy, stop. Pinali ka na. Yana, nakita mo kami?
But it was just once. Okay? Just once. Lalandian kayo ni Zach. Papunta sa car niya. Hindi ko nga sinabi sa'yo kasi alam kong break na kayo ni Luke eh. And I just thought to myself na you're a grown woman, you know? And wala namang masama kung nagkatikiman kayo ni Zach, di ba?
Tikiman. Is that the reason why I'm being punished? Kasi tumikim ako ng bawal.
Alam mo, technically wala namang bawal sa ginawa niyo eh. Diba, you were single, Zach was single, wala naman kayo sinaktang tao. You were just trying different options.
So I'm facing the consequences now. Why is this all happening? Am I a bad person? Karma ko ba to? Deserve ko ba to?
Hindi. Okay, you don't deserve this. No one deserves this. Alam mo kung sino may deserve ng ganito? Si Zach. Kaya magpasalamat na lang talaga siya at nasunog siya kasi if he's still alive until now, he's really going to get everything that's coming to him. Napakababoy niya. To think na tinatago niya lahat ng videos mo while he was still with Liv? Oh my God, he's so sick. Napakababoy niya.
Si Liv. Yan si Liv. Anong gagawin ko? Anong gagawin ko kapag nalaman to ni Liv? Yana, kailangan ba unahan ko na siya? Kailangan ba kausapin ko na siya? Yana, I can't lose her. I can't lose my sister, Yana. Hindi pa talaga pwede. Ayoko na. I just wanna disappear. Ayoko na.
It's okay? Just breathe, okay? Just relax. I am here for you. Okay? I am here for you. Hindi kita iiwan. We are in this together. Okay? As for Liv, I guess She doesn't know what hurt her, diba? And the police, they said na the video will be kept confidential, okay? Sa kanila lang yun. So, it's just us who knows, okay? And I promise I will never break your confidence ever again. I won't let you disappear.
Oh, yeah. Work tayo? Oo, work tayo. Ano to? Anong pinagkakaguluhan niyo dyan? Si Coach Zach ba yan? Ang baboy niyo. Patay na nga yung tao, ginaganyan niyo pa. Kasi ngayon ka pa nag-unplug eh. Yan.
Sugar! Nakita mo yung text ni Yana? Well, I'm glad that A is fine. Mali yata yung sister's instinct ko.
Actually, Liv, parang tama ka.
What do you mean? Why? What's wrong?
Ay, umupo ka muna dyan.
Bakit?
May kailangan ka makita.
Ano yun?
No!
May dapat ka bang aminin sa akin?
Ano nangyayari dito?
Your daughter and I don't just share the same DNA. We also shared the same man. Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Do you know what you've done, Amelie? Sinira mo lahat ng pinaghirapan ko! Anak, ano bang ginagawa mo?
Liv! Liv! Ano ba? Ano ba ginagawa mo yan?
Anak,